Hey there! Are you tired of constantly creating content but not seeing the income you deserve? You're not alone. Many entrepreneurs struggle with turning their passion into a steady revenue stream. It's frustrating, right? Imagine having a platform that not only showcases your expertise but also generates consistent, recurring income. Sounds amazing? Well, that's exactly what building a WordPress membership site can do for you. Introducing the Start Your Own WordPress Membership Site course by Digitabuzz Academy. This comprehensive step-by-step video course simplifies the process of setting up a professional, recurring income membership platform using WordPress and WooCommerce. Let me break it down for you. This course is divided into 7 parts, each designed to guide you through every stage of creating a successful membership site. From choosing the right membership plugin to structuring your pricing tiers and optimizing your site for maximum performance, we've got you covered. Worried about tech skills? Fear not. This course is perfect for beginners and experienced entrepreneurs alike. You'll learn to map out your membership funnel, install and configure your chosen plugin, set up membership levels, and ensure your site runs smoothly. But that's not all. For a limited time, when you enroll in the course, you'll get an exclusive bonus, the ebook, Unlocking Profits, Monetizing WooCommerce Membership Sites for Maximum Revenue. This premium guide is packed with advanced strategies and actionable insights to help you maximize your earning potential. Picture this. You'll discover multiple revenue streams, from subscription pricing models and affiliate marketing to selling digital products and implementing upselling techniques. You'll also learn to create and sell exclusive content, build a thriving community, and use email marketing to boost membership sales. And let's talk about retention. Keeping your members engaged is crucial. Our ebook covers loyalty programs, personalized content, and long-term value creation to ensure your members stay and keep paying. By the end of this course, you'll have the knowledge and technical skills to launch a professional membership site that generates recurring income with ease. You'll transform your passion into profit and build a sustainable, thriving online business. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this opportunity to create a steady stream of income and unlock your expertise's true potential. Remember, success is just a step away. To turn your dreams into reality, enroll now.